Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ford Ranger 4x4. First, familiarize yourself with the drive mode selector. You'll typically find options for two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high, and four-wheel drive low. Knowing when to use each mode is crucial for optimal performance and safety. We'll cover the best practices for engaging these systems effectively, ensuring you're prepared for any terrain. Four-wheel drive high, or 4H, is ideal for maintaining traction on loose or slick surfaces, such as snowy roads or dirt trails. For more challenging obstacles, like steep inclines or deep mud, four-wheel drive low, or 4L, provides increased power and control. Remember to slow down significantly, or even stop, before engaging 4L to prevent damage to your drivetrain. When venturing off-road, a smooth and consistent approach is key. Avoid sudden acceleration or braking, which can lead to loss of control. Utilize your mirrors and, if possible, a spotter to guide you through tricky sections. Adjusting your tire pressure can also significantly enhance grip on various surfaces, making your off-road experience safer and more enjoyable. Proper maintenance is vital for the longevity of your Ford Ranger's 4x4 system. After off-roading, always inspect for debris or damage and follow your owner's manual for recommended service intervals. Keeping your vehicle in top condition ensures it's ready for your next adventure. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.